Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you what I bought for my grocery haul this month. So if you like such content, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. First, I will be showing you what I bought from the supermarket, and so we always buy our shopping from Neighbor Supermarket. And right here we have hot and sweet chili sauce, bio yogurt, which I always use to make my homemade yogurt, and petroleum jelly. So we also bought some salt, which was cheaper buying 2 1 kg packets compared to buying 2 kg packets. Next is bread and baking flour, and in here we love baking, and that's why we always buy more packets. With the bread price going up, I'm planning to start making my own bread. Right here I have green label spaghetti, some sugar, tangerine juice, and before I forget, here we have some coconut powder, some Weetabix and Cerelac for my baby's breakfast. And guys, that's all we bought from the supermarket. And now I will show you what I bought from the market. And right here I have some minji, yellow beans, some bananas, cabbage, tomatoes, pili hoho, some onions enough to last us for a month, ginger and garlic. And guys, as you all know, I really love avocados, and we always buy the unripe ones, which is cheaper compared to buying the ripe ones. So next we have some plantains for my baby, some oranges, and nowadays my baby is a big fan of all oranges and tangerines. So that's why we bought them. And here we have some mishuris, and for the mishuris we always cook them with rice as a side dish. We have some lemons. For the lemons we always use them to make salads and also lemonades, which I'm a big fan of. Right now here we have some matumbos or strips, beef, and some minced meat, which I will be using to cook food for my baby. So next we have some greens. For the greens we always buy spinach and sukuma, or sometimes we buy terere. for the greens, we always buy that can last for 2 weeks and then restock again after 2 weeks. Next, we have some dania. Same case to greens, we always restock dania at mid-month. So for this, they are going to last for 2 weeks and then we will restock them. Next, I will be organizing my fridge and putting everything to its storage space. So guys, I'm done arranging my fridge, and in the freezer I will be adding some lentils, that is kamande, beans, and mudokoi once I've boiled them. mixing the yogurt that I will make right there. I'm all done, and right in this cabinet is where I store all my spices. And right here we store rice, maize flour, and baking flour. So as you can see, the rice container is empty. I'll be refilling it once I'm done.